Now, after BJP has upped its game ahead of the December 1st Hyderabad municipal polls, AIMIM chief Asaduddin Owaisi took to BJP leaders there, addressing a poll campaign in Hyderabad on Monday. Owaisi said that BJP leaders are frustrated and suggested that they should definitely have some biryani at the Alhamdulillah restaurant. Owaisi also accused BJP of communalizing polls. The comment has meanwhile not gone down too well with the BJP, as the Saffron Party has said that that particular restaurant mentioned by Owaisi serves beef biryani. On Monday, BJP's Tejasvi Surya called AIMIM chief Asaduddin Owaisi an avatar of Jinnah. He also said that KCR and AIMIM want to make Hyderabad like Pakistan, and BJP will turn Hyderabad into Bhagyanagar, a city of fortune.
अब बीजेपी वाले तो ऐसा दिख रहा कि कुछ समझ में नहीं आ रहा, बीजेपी को इतना फ्रस्ट्रेशन का शिकार हो गए। हैदराबाद को आ रहे तो बाबा जरा इनको अल्हम्दुलिल्लाह की बिरयानी तो खिलाओ, थोड़ा होश ठिकाने आता।
चुनाव के दरमियान वो ये कहता है कि बीजेपी वाले फ्रस्ट्रेशन में आ गए और उनको बिरयानी खाने की सलाह दे रहा है। होटल का नाम जो दे रहा है वहाँ पर बीफ की बिरयानी बनती है और बीजेपी वालों को कह रहा है कि बीफ की बिरयानी खाओ। तो मैं असदुद्दीन ओवैसी को कहना चाहूँगा कि फ्रस्ट्रेशन में कौन है तुम्हारे बयान से पता चल जाता है। कभी भी भारतीय जनता पार्टी वाले किसी की भावनाओं को ठेस नहीं पहुंचाते, लेकिन ये तुम्हारी पुरानी आदत रही कि चुनाव के समय पर पब्लिक को भड़काना है। इसलिए मैं जनता से निवेदन करना चाहता हूं कि एमआईएम का गंदा चेहरा पहचाने और इनका बहिष्कार करें।
Now TRS, instead of getting into the positive discussion and getting into the debate of correct narrative, it is indulging in misinformation campaign. Now they are presenting BJP as a party which is dividing the society. MIM is a kind of deadwood, a liability, because its track record, its history has been anti-India. There is a kind of internal understanding between TRS and MIM, both in governance and in elections. So TRS is becoming a party to cut the votes in Old City and also encouraging the demographic shift in Old City areas.
Every single illegal person inside the country will be removed out. There is no doubt about it. Let Owaisi not live in his Disneyland, dreamland. Every single illegal Rohingya that he tries to protect, we will throw all of them out. It is about the changing demography. In old Hyderabad, in most Hindu colonies, people are coming out. They are coming out of the old Hyderabad. Why is this happening? Who is responsible for this harmony politics? Owaisi.